Yo, what's up guys? This is Plane Spotter Afiq here again. I'm gonna do another unboxing of two planes again. Right here is this one I ordered again. Is Malaysia Airlines Hibiscus 747. Boeing 747 Hibiscus livery, and Malaysia Airlines A350-900 NegaraKu livery. So I'm gonna open this one right now. This one is, let me see where is the Airbus A350-900 NegaraKu livery. Okay, so let's stand by. Open the box of the plane. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside for the box. And here comes the Malaysia Airlines A350-900 NegaraKu livery. There we go. Oh, look at this. It's okay. The damage is a bit, it's okay, it's good. Oh no, there's a damage. Yep, there's a damage. I think the seller is just like want to break stuff. I don't know why he must do that for me like that. Why he must do that? It's okay, but right here comes Malaysia Airlines A350-900 NegaraKu livery right here. I'm not gonna break it, this thing. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful model. NegaraKu livery. Look at that. Beautiful. See? Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna open the stand right now. Come on. Okay, here comes the stand. Put this box again. I'm gonna put the plastic inside here. Okay. Okay, there we go. Leave it there. And fix this thing in here. I'm gonna make it all the way to push in. There it is. There it is, guys. Malaysia Airlines A350-900 NegaraKu livery. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful model, guys. Look at that. There it is. Right here. Beautiful, huh? Nice, right? Okay, I'm gonna unbox the another one. This is Malaysia Airlines Boeing 747-400 in Hibiscus livery. Here it is. Here, the box is a beautiful box, brand new one. Compared to this one is the old one. Okay, open this guy up. There we go. Okay, hold on, guys. There, the bubble wrap in here. Don't close first, because I want to put here. Because I want to open this guy up. There we go. Here comes the Malaysia Airlines Boeing 747-400, the Hibiscus livery. Look at that. Beautiful model. Wow, so smooth. No damage. Let me check. Yep, it's good. Plane's perfect. Not broken at all. It's good. The registration number 9M-MPB. The Malaysia Airlines Boeing A350-900 NegaraKu livery registration number is 9M-MAC. Yeah, this is a beautiful plane model. I'm gonna put this in. Okay, I'm gonna review of this guy right now. Look at the engines. The 4 engines are red color. perfect. Look at the tail of the Malaysia Airlines logo and the word of Malaysia, and then the logo, I mean the flag is right there. Malaysia, Hibiscus, and experience redefined. Then yeah, and the other side is the same as well. Look, everything is the same. And look at the belly. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. What a beautiful model that is. So I'm gonna open the stand right now. Right here. And put this plastic in here again. And put the stand again. Push it in all the way. Don't halfway, must all the way. If halfway, this thing will come out. There you go. Oh, careful there. Look at that. Beautiful model. Look at that. With a stand on it. Beautiful, huh, guys? Look at that. See? Nice. So these are my two planes unboxing for today. Look at that. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more kind of this content. Yeah, so I'm gonna sign out for this video and peace out. Yeah, take care, guys.